adversity that the main character endured and what the desert itself carried for her, the path, the trials, tribulations, all the twists, and also having observed that the Sahel was also home, not just to her own people, but to the terrorists as well. And it made me think about, you know, in life sometimes the world can be so unkind. And every day requires courage and bravery to survive. Some have it worse than others, but I think that having a character as strong, as vulnerable as she was, but strong and beautiful and empowered. I don't know where she got that strength of resilience from, but what she showed me was that even in a world that serves you crisis and chaos, there's a little brave person inside of us that can withstand all that adversity and overcome. And I found myself rooting for her. I think crisis has a way of creating heroes. And it didn't matter where she was from, what her beliefs were. What mattered was her core, her spirit, and her unwavering desire to live, to survive in a world that presented nothing but hurt, pain, and she was violated in the most heartbreaking way.